Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use WhatsApp on Android. So WhatsApp is a free chat app that launched at the dawn of the smartphone era in 2009. It wasn't until 2015 that it became the most popular communication app worldwide. The popularity of WhatsApp is because it's free, it doesn't have ads, and of course, it has huge existing user base. It also features end-to-end encryption, so your messages are private and secure. So the first thing you need to make sure is that you install the app. As you can see here, I have already WhatsApp. But just to show you, I'm gonna tap the Play Store and then gonna search WhatsApp. You just need to install it. After installing, you just need to give your necessary details and your phone number, and you can create your profile. So let's go to the app. And here you see my chats. And here you can check the status and you can update your status. You can also tap on your photo to make your profile picture. Here are the calls. And here you can start your communities. If you tap the three button on the upper right hand, you see the settings. You can create new group, new broadcast, link devices, start message, and settings. If you tap the message on the lower right hand, you can create a new message. So if you open one, here you can attach the files you can send, and you can send also photo and some message. You can also record a voice recorder that it will be sent. So that's it. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.